Okay, so for number 10 and 11, we're going to form a polynomial function whose real zeros and degree are given. All right, so for number 10, they start out with giving us 3 zeros, positive 1, negative 2, positive 4, and a degree of 3. So our polynomial will ultimately be a third degree. All right, so let's get this started. We have f of x equals, and since we have a positive 1 as a 0, that creates a factor of x minus 1. The next 0 is negative 2. That creates a factor of x plus 2. And then last but not least is a positive 4, which creates a factor of x minus 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some multiplication. All right, I'm going to start on the far right on these two guys right here. I just find that's a little bit easier to start from the right and go to the left when doing these types of problems. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to FOIL these guys, or I'm going to take x times x, that's x squared, and then I have a plus 2x and a minus 4x, that gives me a minus 2x, and then a positive 2 times negative 4 is a negative 8. Alright, so I'm doing some foiling in my head. Now I'm going to put that in parentheses, and I'm going to multiply that by x minus 1. Alright, so here I'm going to try to stay really organized, and I'll actually draw arrows and go through the motions for you. So x times x squared, that gives you x cubed. X times minus 2x, that's negative 2x squared. This x times this minus 8 is minus 8x. Notice our variable of x is being written in descending order. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to do the bottom part. This minus 1 times the x squared, that's negative 1x squared. And I'm going to keep my stuff organized. I'm going to write this vertically, so I'm going to write a negative 1x squared underneath the other x squared term. Then I'm going to take my negative 1 times negative 2x. That's going to be positive 2x. And I'm going to take my negative 1 times my negative 8, and that'll give me positive 8. And then I'm going to combine my like terms. All right, we'll call it a day. So f of x will ultimately be x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. Alright, so notice that this is my polynomial function. It's got a degree of 3, right? That's the highest degree. And it was written using the zeros that they gave us. Alright, we're going to do one more, number 11. This time we'll have 4 zeros. Alright.